And I would love for you just to share your story of what you went through, the whole process, the emotions and how you were feeling, and just overwhelmed, I'm sure, at one point, and how you ended up here, what your experience was like at Smart Body Physical Therapy, and where you are now.
Okay. Well, I was walking my dog one afternoon, and I felt a heaviness way down here, and I thought, oh no, not again, because years ago my bladder literally fell out. I could see it, and it had happened again, and I had urinary tract infections, and 2 consecutive ones, and that really concerned my doctor. And when I saw her, she said, this is severe, and I want you to see a urogynecologist because I think you're going to have surgery, but let her be the judge of that. So I searched and searched, and I couldn't find one that I felt really comfortable with. And I had an appointment with my neurologist, and when I went in to talk to them, they asked questions from what's happened to the top of your head down to your toes. And I said, oh, when I finished telling everything, I said, I may have to have surgery on my bladder. And he said, really? And I told him that I had been diagnosed with a prolapse bladder. And he said, well, instead of surgery, how have you tried or thought about trying physical therapy? And I said, physical therapy? I just got out of physical therapy for vertigo. I didn't know they had physical therapy for, your bladder. And he said, yes. He said, there's a wonderful place in South Point, and before you leave this office, I will give you the name and number so you can call and make an appointment. And I was ecstatic because I was so fearful of having surgery and being put under, because I know that's not good for one's brain. And so I immediately ran. As soon as he gave me the number, I was so thrilled. I sat out in my car and I called that number, and I got an appointment right away. And I went in and I thought, I can't imagine what this is going to be like. But I prayed and I prayed. I said, God, please help me so I won't have to have surgery. And I know you're going to take good care of me and send the right people. And so I came here with great expectations. And Missy worked with me, and she was beyond wonderful. She's so professional, and she's such a wonderful teacher. She taught me things that I never thought about ever. And just every time I came here, and I would see at the end when I started getting better, I saw Jennifer. And she was a wonderful teacher as well. And I just, to this day, just talking about them and what a miracle they performed on me, I get tears in my eyes because I didn't want to go under the knife. And, I'm older, and I wanted my life back. And they gave it to me. They taught me exercises that, they explained every muscle to me and what to do with these exercises. And I did them. I did them faithfully. That's one thing, you have to do them faithfully. And Missy or Melissa actually drew pictures if she didn't have a copy of something for me. She drew me a couple of pictures of, you know, what I should do and how I should do it. And it was just wonderful. I looked forward to coming here, and I miss seeing everybody because everyone in this office is so nice. From the office to you know, to everybody that worked with me. I'm just so blessed. I am so blessed that you're here, and I just want every female and every male to know that if they have a problem with incontinence or any kind of bladder problem, this is the place to go, because you will learn so much, so very much, and it will carry me the rest of my life. I'm so happy. I'm honored to be here, and I'm so happy that you have this institution, because I really feel like it has saved my life.